All right, so this right here, folks, is ASIC, okay? It's an application-specific integrated circuit. All right, this one is a little bit less powerful than what is the standard today. In 2025 today, you might get an ASIC that's going to be 150 terahash, maybe 200 terahash, maybe 250 terahash. Air coolant. Get into the hydro or the immersion coolant, they can be overclocked to 300 plus. You know, there are some that are reaching 1 petahash. But I'm just gonna open this up for you and let's actually see what's in here. It's been sitting here forever, and I haven't really even inspected it to see what's in here. Could be a ticking time bomb, who knows? Nope, actually it's not a ticking time bomb. It is a Bitmain control board. Bitmain is the leader, okay? Bitmain's going to be the leader in Bitcoin mining hardware. The simple fact is that the largest 3 Bitcoin mining hardware manufacturers are in China. So when it comes to Bitcoin mining hardware manufacturing specifically, if we were keeping score today, America would be in fact losing, folks. Okay, this is not to be, you don't have to be alarmed about this, but this is something that is right now going on. Okay, there's no real major Bitcoin mining hardware manufacturer in America. And if there is, they're not really, I don't really see the mega partnerships that they are getting. I know that Jack Dorsey is developing some ASICs. I know that Aradine is another Bitcoin mining company that people are looking at. But as far as just leading the market, okay, from what I've seen, I've been all across America at Bitcoin mining sites, and I can tell you for the simple fact is the most prevalent Bitcoin mining hardware is Bitmain's hardware. They are made and located in China. They have a lot of partnerships here in America. But again, I just want to talk about this. You know, these are very clean. This is a very clean board. So this was definitely done in a factory. This is automated. You know, I'm building the board by hand, but you know, if you had enough money, you would just have a robot do it, right? So I'm currently running fiat errands. Slide out one of these guys, see what they look like. Yeah, this is a metal on metal hash board. The ASICs are protected, so you won't be able to see the ASICs unless you unscrew and remove the heatsink from this ASIC board. The first application specific integrated circuit reported was made by Canaan, and Canaan is also a Bitcoin mining and hardware manufacturer in China. This was reported by Vitalik Buterin. I actually have an article on that, so I'll just link that article for you guys to check out. But this is what an ASIC hash board looks like. Take a break. There was a discussion at one site and they wanted to have me on camera. And I said, hey, that's fine. Just give me a $2,000 bonus. Well, they tried it. With screws, you really want to put them in a designated area because they're small and they're easy to lose. Together and take one apart. We'll go over the PS2 another time. All right, guys, don't forget to use that link in the description. Get you going mining at home, 5% off. Tiny Chip Hub, you get some exclusive, really cool hardware from Hong Kong. All right, guys.